Dear children, today is a very special day for you. I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Enjoy, it's your day. Here I'm with a short poem specially for you. You are the future. You are the light that shines so bright, with dreams that sparkle day and night. In every sum, in every line, I see a spark, a star that will shine. Mistakes may come, but you fear. Each one will make your path more clear. Keep asking questions, aim for the sky. With hard work and courage, you will fly. Maths is not tough, it's just a game. Each problem solved adds joy to your name. Believe in yourself, you are special. It's true. The future of India depends on you. So, dear children, you enjoy learning as your childhood, fully enjoy your childhood. This childhood you will not get in future again. So each and every moment of your childhood you enjoy and live happy, make others happy with your presence and take care of yourself. I would like to thank all the participants of the quiz competition. Those who have not got the chance, you can participate till tonight, as the quiz competition is specially organized for you. I end by saying, तुम हो मेरे नन्हे सितारे, जगमगाते रहो, मैथ्स के सवालों से खेलो, मुस्कुराते रहो, हर जोड़ घटाव में मिले नहीं सीख प्यारी, तुमसे ही है कक्षा में रौनक सारी, हर प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन तुम ढूंढ लोगे, मेहनत और लगन से आगे बढ़ लोगे। बच्चों, तुम ही तो हो देश का भविष्य न्यारा। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे मेरे नन्हे गणित के सितारा। So I wish you happy Children's Day. Enjoy your time. Enjoy everything in life. Take care of yourself and make others happy. Thank you, students.